Scene script. Have you ever wondered how plants eat? They don't have mouths, but they do have a process called photosynthesis, and it's pretty magical. Picture this. A plant basking in the sunlight, absorbing water from the ground through its roots and taking in carbon dioxide from the air. All these elements come together in a remarkable dance. The sunlight acts as an energy source, sparking a reaction in the plant's leaves. This reaction transforms the absorbed water and carbon dioxide into glucose, a type of sugar that serves as food for the plant. But it doesn't stop there. During this process, plants also release oxygen into the air. That's right. The very oxygen we breathe and need to live is generously provided by plants performing their photosynthesis magic. So, the next time you see a plant, remember, it's making its food using the magic of photosynthesis. Did you know that bees have a big job in our world? They are like nature's little delivery drivers, playing an essential role in the process called pollination. Now you might be wondering, what's pollination? Well, it's a special kind of delivery where bees transfer pollen from one flower to another, helping plants to reproduce. Imagine this, a busy bee lands on a flower and while it's sipping nectar, some pollen grains stick to its fuzzy body. When the bee flies off to the next flower, some of the pollen rubs off onto this new bloom. This pollen transfer is like sending a love letter from one flower to another, allowing them to produce seeds and create new plants. And here's the sweet part. Many of these plants are the ones that give us our favorite fruits, vegetables, and nuts. So, next time you're enjoying an apple or munching on a handful of almonds, remember, you have bees to thank for it. Without bees, our world would look very different, and not in a good way. Ever thought about where rain comes from? It's all part of the amazing water cycle, a never-ending journey that water takes to keep our planet alive and well. Let's start from the ground. When the sun shines, it heats up the water in our oceans, rivers, and even puddles, turning it into an invisible gas called water vapor. This process is known as evaporation. Now, this water vapor rises up into the sky, and as it gets cooler, it transforms back into tiny water droplets, creating clouds. This is called condensation. But wait, there's more. When these clouds get heavy, they release these droplets as rain, snow, or other forms of precipitation, bringing the water back to the ground. And so, the cycle repeats, providing the essential water we need for life on Earth. Next time you see a raindrop, remember it's been on an incredible journey.